It's March 29th, 2021. My name is Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections. This is the roof evaluation for this single-family home here in Airlie, Monmouth, Oregon. As with all the videos in this report, we would request that you view this video as supplemental to the written version of the report to which this video has been attached. There are a number of reportable challenges with this single-family home's gable-style roof. We'll do our best to detail those challenges here. An Oregon home inspection, however, does not include a roof warranty, meaning we make no claims as to this roof's ability to keep water out of the ceiling voids and attic spaces for the living space below. There are companies, typically insurance companies, which will offer such insurance policies. Oregon home inspectors are specifically forbidden by the Oregon Construction Contractors Board from making such claims. First challenge that we'll note is that at the right-hand side of this rear portion of the roof line, we're seeing a number of loose shingles. Loose shingles become an issue because over time, as the downhill side of the shingle gets caught in a little bit of wind, you'll see a perforation form near the midline or upper portion of the roofing material. Over time, that perforation will become significantly weaker than the shingles adjacent to it, and will create a scenario where the shingle itself will actually depart from the roof line. So in this scenario here, you'd see perforation along this sort of angle here. Moderate granular loss has also been noted at a wide variety of areas around the roof line. The granular material on a 3-tab or architectural roof such as this is here primarily for UV resistance. However, it's also present for resistance against small debris like sticks, hail, rocks, etc. Once this granular material has departed from the roof line, the shingle gets weak, and combined with the previous condition that we mentioned regarding loose shingles, you'll get a very thin shingle, loose shingle, and that'll also accelerate the opportunity for the shingle to depart from the roof line. There are areas of patching at the right rear side of the roof line at 3 identified locations, and there's also one area of patching at the rear portion of the roof line at the left-hand side of the roof at that covered roof vent there at the uphill side. That's generally an indication that someone is reacting to a leak. There are a couple of areas of isolated damage to the roof line along the right-hand rear rear side of the roof line at this location, and another location about 6 feet back from the right rear corner. Shifting our attention to the electrical system, there is a jump mast from the electrical meter to the detached shop space that is not workmanlike. It does not include a drip loop, and is not using a recognized form of electrical wire for its purpose. Likewise, there is a rope being used as support to prevent the jump mast from bending. That is not an accepted or recognized form of support for an electrical mast. Recommend an evaluation and repair by a licensed electrical contractor. This has been Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections.